Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, remember yesterday I made a review Izingane zesthembu. I randomly went to Instagram, I think like last night, and I checked Tirelo's page, and Tirelo removed all of the pictures Mpumelelo and the videos that they have together on their page, including the promotional videos of Izingane zesthembu. Guys, what's going on? Trouble in paradise. And you guys here, you guys know that here I'm fair and I'm fair and fair. Wrong ke wrong, right ke right. But what she did to Uvuyo last year, this girl, and no matter how much they fought, whether it's on TV or in their personal life, whenever they are fighting, she never removed any of Mpumenelo's pictures. This is the first time she's doing that. What happened, my sister? You thought I think now she does realize that Uvuyokasi was not crazy. Uvuyokasi was really not the witch that she claimed that she is. Uvuyokasi is not that thing that she claimed that she is. She wanted that man. Guys, I said this. Tirelo wanted that man all to herself. That's what I'm telling you. And even when there were gossips where there were posts where he's with this girl there, he's with that girl there, she never deleted them. When she stayed to a point whereby all of these girls were jealous of her. I think there's trouble in paradise. And honestly speaking, I don't give a F. I don't care. I do not care. More and more, I don't. Whether they're doing good or bad, I don't think it's like... It is my business as a reporter, but I really don't care. Personally, genuinely, I don't care whether they get along or not. I get Vuyokasi was the witch. You don't do that to another woman, no matter what, for a man. And mind you, Vuyokasi last year, that fight was between her and Mpumelelo. Tirelo was the one who inserted herself because she was not in the room. They asked her to give them space. She came back to fight with that girl. She decided to choose herself. She's doing well now. She even lost weight. She's doing very well. What's it? No. All that shouting and wanting Vuyokasi out of the picture. You thought it was gonna be good for you. You thought it was gonna be smooth for you. Yeah, it might have been smooth because Nalerotana ka Vuyokasi. You were really in competition with her. But now there's another girl now who's younger than you. I don't think she's going anywhere anytime soon. That's what I thought. Vuyokasi was a witch, Vuyokasi was this, Vuyokasi was that. She didn't know that Vuyokasi was actually not crazy. I hope she realizes now, and I hope that she will really go back to Vuyokasi and genuinely apologize, swallow her pride and apologize to Vuyokasi. But I went to Mpumelelo, they still follow each other, but I went to Mpumelelo's profile and I saw that Mpumelelo still has the pictures and their videos. So basically the problem is with Tirelo. Yeah. Didn't that's what you wanted, my darling. That's what you get for calling other women witches because of their dating your man, when you knew that you are coming into a relationship whereby you are going to share that man. You knew that. Anyway guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.